T25, T50.
Hey, how you doing? Pat here. I just wanted to make this real quick video. I'm taking off the BMW OEM handguards and I'm installing Barkbuster handguards that only took 4 months to get. I got the metal piece within a month, but the plastics took 4 months to get here from Australia. So stick around, stay tuned, and let me show you how difficult I can make this look.
Alright, this takes a 6mm Allen. Guess I gotta loosen this. And this is a 5mm. Once I get everything done, I will come back and Loctite it all. But for now, loose fitment. It wants to cross thread.
I had to run a tap through that hole. It was messed up from the factory.
I don't know if it will show up, but these are labeled right and left. Right and left. So right goes with right. You have two different adjustments. The one thing I wish, too bad this isn't slotted so you can just easily do this. But I guess I can't have everything.
Alright, I've put a few miles on these Barkbusters now. I can't say that I've noticed anything different as far as the wind protection goes. Haven't been in the bad weather yet, but anyway. I hope you got a little bit of something out of that install video. I know it wasn't crazy detailed, but I didn't figure it needed to be. So there you have it, bug guts and all. I hope you got something out of this video. If you would, please give me a thumbs up. Mash that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. And we will see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it.